Welcome back everyone to this tutorial about having clause. So having clause or statement is another statement that we can use to add a condition to our results. The difference between having clause and where condition is having clause is used with the aggregation function after group by, while where condition is used before that. So let's have a look at this example to understand what I mean. Here in MySQL, in this select query, we need to select a department name with the number of employees in that department. To do that, we need to join two tables, department and employee A. Let's start looking here at from. From employee A, we are giving alias EA to this table, inner join department, and we are giving D as an alias name. On department ID in employee A equal department ID in department table. We need to get department name from department table, D the alias name of department, dot department name from department table, comma, we need to find the number of employees in each department, so we are typing here count of employee ID as, and this is the alias name, number of employees. Here we are using where condition just before group by. So where date of birth of employees greater than 1980. So we type here where date of birth greater than between quotation 1980-12-31. That means all the date of birth after this date. Then we need to group by department name. So we are grouping the results by department name. Because we type department name here, we should type it here again in group by. Now we came to have a look at having. Having clause is added after group by to deal with the aggregation function results. So having count of employees greater than 3. So first we limited our selection by getting only the employees that their date of birth greater than 1980 using where condition. And we limit the results again here by using having statement or clause to get count or number of employees greater than 3 for each department. And finally, we are ordering the results by the number of employees in a descending order. So the departments that have more employees will appear first. Let's now execute this code. And as we see here, we got only one department with 5 employees. First, we said we need to limit our results to the employees that their date of birth is greater than 1980. So in this case, we excluded all the employees that their date of birth smaller or less than 1980. Let's say we decided to remove this condition. Let's just remove this condition and execute again. As you see here, we got 3 departments because we excluded that condition. And let's return this condition, but let's remove having condition. And let's now execute the code again. This time we got 5, 3, 2, 1.